Back now with the latest on the Alex Murdaugh trial as prosecutors zero in on his alleged financial troubles.
They want to present that as a motive for the double murder of his wife and son. Now, ABC's Morgan Norwood is following the hearing as it continues.
A judge will soon decide whether Alex Murdaugh's alleged financial crimes can be entered as motive in his double murder trial. The state wants to show the jury evidence they say proves Murdaugh murdered his wife and son to create a distraction, gain sympathy, and keep his financial crimes from coming to light.
They need to understand really what this man was hiding, and the pressures of that are important for the jury to understand why this man might do that.
And how murdering Maggie Murdaugh and murdering Paul Murdaugh eased his financial stress. It didn't.
To an empty jury box, the CFO for his law firm testified that she confronted Murdaugh the day of the double murders about $792,000 of missing fees.
I told him that I had reason to believe that he had received the funds himself and that I needed proof that he had not.
Alex's best friend, Chris Wilson, telling the court he was shocked to learn Murdaugh had been stealing.
Get a call from Rico asking about those fees and saying that Alex had been stealing money, right?
Yes, sir.
That hit you like a thunderbolt?
It knocked me down.
Murdaugh is accused of stealing at least $8.5 million from clients, family, friends, and his own law firm. But whether the jury can even hear any of that testimony, up for debate, as the judge is still deciding.
The judge says that he's inclined to allow evidence of the past financial crimes, but it has to be tied to this case, meaning typically you are not allowed to introduce bad facts evidence. For example, just because someone's a thief doesn't make them a murderer.
And we don't expect a decision on this today. There is, though, another hearing on this issue scheduled for Monday. I'm Morgan Norwood, ABC News, New York.